Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best W204 Grill is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Mercedes-Benz C-Class owners, offering a significant aesthetic enhancement that can dramatically alter the vehicle's front-end appearance, giving it a sportier, more aggressive, or even a more luxurious look depending on the specific design chosen. And it's crucial to select one that perfectly complements your car's model year and trim level for a seamless integration and maximum visual impact. Number 5. OE Replacement Mercedes-Benz C-Class Front Bumper Grille. Upgrade your Mercedes-Benz C-Class with this high-quality front bumper grille. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring your vehicle looks its best. Crafted in Taiwan, this grille offers excellent durability and a seamless integration with your car's existing bumper. You can trust its quality and precise engineering. Give your C-Class a refreshed and stylish look. This grille is an ideal replacement part that restores the aesthetic appeal of your front end. Designed as a direct replacement, installation is straightforward. It matches the original specifications, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade for your vehicle. This part, with model number W3322C and parts link number MB1036120, is specifically made for your Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's the perfect solution for a damaged or worn-out grille. What we like. This is a direct OE replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit for your W204 C-Class. If you are looking for a straightforward, reliable replacement that maintains the original look and function of your vehicle, this is an excellent choice. It's built to OE specifications, making installation hassle-free. What people say. The grille looks amazing on my car. The quality of the material is good and it fits perfectly. Installation was straightforward and it really enhances the car's appearance. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz W204 C-Class AMG Style Grille. Give your 2008 to 2014 Mercedes-Benz W204 C-Class a sleek, sporty makeover. This AMG Style Grille is designed to enhance its appearance. Featuring a gloss black finish, it provides a clean and aggressive look to the front of your vehicle. It's the perfect way to achieve that desired AMG aesthetic. Crafted from 100% non-recycled ABS plastic, this grille is built for durability. It's designed to withstand engine heat and sun exposure, ensuring longevity. Installation is a breeze. It fits directly onto the front of your car using strong clips and tabs, requiring no modifications for a perfect fit. Transform your C-Class with this high-quality grille. It's an ideal upgrade for C250, C300, and C350 models from 2008 to 2014. We are here to help with any questions you may have about this product. Our team is ready to provide you with excellent service and support. What we like. Want to give your W204 a sportier, more aggressive stance? This grille features a gloss black AMG style that will make your car stand out. If you desire a clean, modern, and performance-oriented look without complex modifications, this is the perfect upgrade for you. What people say. The grille is a perfect fit for the W204 C-Class models. It gives the car a more aggressive and sporty look. The quality of the material is good and it feels durable. Number 3. GT-style front grille for Mercedes-Benz W204 C-Class. Give your Mercedes-Benz W204 C-Class an aggressive new look with this GT-style front grille. It's designed to fit C200, C230, C300, and C350 models from 2008 to 2014. This is an OE replacement part, designed for a direct snap-on installation. No modifications are needed to give your vehicle a fresh appearance. Crafted from premium ABS, this grille is both lightweight and incredibly stable. Its durable construction is built to withstand engine heat and sun exposure. Set your car apart from the rest with a unique, luxurious look. This upgrade provides a distinctive style that commands attention. We ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle through rigorous quality inspections before packaging. You can be confident in the quality of this product. What we like. For those seeking a distinctive and upscale appearance, this GT-style grille offers a unique luxury look. If you want your W204 to have a more exotic and eye-catching front end that sets it apart from the crowd, this premium ABS grille is the ideal selection. What people say. The grille looks great on the car. It was easy to install and fits perfectly. The quality of the material is good and it feels durable. Number 2. Perfit Liner Chrome Silver Grille for Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Give your 2008 to 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class a fresh, new look with this stylish chrome and silver grille. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's appearance and give it a distinct style. Crafted from high-quality materials, this grille offers a durable and reliable upgrade. Its eye-catching chrome and silver finish will make your car stand out. Featuring a unique grid design, it allows air to flow freely to your engine while protecting vital components from road debris. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. Specifically designed for various C-Class models from 2008 to 2011, including the C230, C250, C300, and C350. It's a direct replacement for OE numbers 204880002397776 and MB1200148. While no installation manual is included, professional installation is recommended for a seamless fit. If you have any questions, our team is here to assist you. What we like. If you prefer a brighter, more refined aesthetic for your C-Class, this chrome and silver grille is an excellent option. It not only enhances your vehicle's appearance with a fresh style but also provides protection for your engine components. Choose this if you're aiming for a sophisticated and functional upgrade. What people say. The grille is a perfect fit for the W204 model, enhancing its aggressive look. Installation was straightforward, and the quality of the material is excellent, feeling very durable. Number 1. AMG GT-R Style Grille for Mercedes-Benz W204. Give your Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 from 2008 to 2014 a bold new look with this AMG GT-R Style front grille. It's designed to perfectly fit your vehicle, excluding the C63 model. This high-quality ABS grille features the aggressive styling of the AMG GT-R, enhancing the front-end aesthetics of your C180, C200, or C300. Crafted from durable, high-quality ABS material, this grille is built to last and withstand the elements, ensuring a premium finish. Designed for a direct replacement, installation is straightforward. For optimal results, professional installation is recommended to ensure a perfect fit. This grille is suitable for saloon, wagon, and coupe models of the W204 C-Class, providing a universal upgrade option, excluding C63. Your new grille will arrive safely thanks to our multi-layer protected export carton, designed to be shockproof and crash-proof during transit. What we like. Embrace the aggressive styling of the AMG GT-R with this black front grille. Designed for a direct replacement, it offers a high-quality ABS construction for durability. If you're a fan of bold, performance-inspired aesthetics and want a grille that arrives in perfect condition, this is the one for your W204. What people say. The grille looks amazing and fits perfectly on my W204. Installation was straightforward, and the quality of the material is excellent. It completely transformed the front end of the car, giving it a much sportier look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.